Right there, YouTubers. Here's that plastic layer we were putting in for Chopper's build-off challenge, and they've used it, as you can see, the dirt here. Here's a roll of plastic up here on top. Now, we made a little set of cheap bearings to fit these two yellow pipes for that roll to roll on. The plastic comes out between them, out the bottom, underneath that roll, and then these two wheels roll over top the edge of it as that dirt humps up over in the middle, and then these two blades here and here kick a little dirt over the edge of that plastic, so that plastic will stay laid down over top, and you got a hump there. And I'll show you a video of it working from a tractor seat. All right, thank you.